Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a huge Cherryz haul. Interested to see what I picked up, then just continue to watch. So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and I do new videos on this channel every week. If you are one of my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't already, there is a little subscribe button down there in red somewhere. I would love for you to click that and stick around. It's completely free and entirely up to you. But without further ado, let's get into today's Cherryz haul. Hey guys, it's been quite a while since I've done a Cherryz haul. And they reached out to me and said, can we gift you a voucher for you to do a haul with us? And I said straight away yes, because I love shopping on Cherryz. You can spend hours scrolling through the Cherryz app. If you download it as well and you use my code juliette25, you can actually get 25% off your first Cherryz order when you spend over £20. So make sure if you do head over, or if you see anything that you like, if you click through the link below and use my code, make sure you do that so you get your 25% off. I'll remind you of that later on, but first of all I thought I would show you what I got. So I was looking on there and they've just had all their festive items come out as well. So I know we haven't even had Halloween yet, but I did get a few festive items, and I also bought a few things that are going to come in useful over the winter, considering prices at the moment. So you'll see a theme going through. I'm just going to quickly go through everything in the box. I'm just going to get it out as I see it. So they had loads of things on there for the children for Christmas. I picked the boys up the Nutcracker. These were £3. I thought it was a really good price. They also had the Night Before Christmas, which we already have, and A Christmas Carol, I think. But I picked up the Nutcracker because I've never actually read the Nutcracker story, but I thought this would be really nice to get for the boys to read for Christmas. And also potentially that, or Lucas at their school for their birthday, they donate a book to the school. So I thought this might be nice as well, because Lucas's birthday is the 21st of December. So if it's a nice story, then maybe I'll get another one to donate for Lucas's birthday. I also picked up one of these. I was going to get them one each, but I think that they'll definitely just need the one between them because they go through phases with colouring books. But this is the Elves Behaving Badly elf colouring book and sticker sheet. There's over 60 stickers in there, and there's some really nice big pictures in there. Now, like I say, I only picked up the one mainly because Leo's kind of out of this kind of thing now, but Lucas still loves these kind of books. So I picked that up for him for like one of the elf days. Next up, I picked up a pack of hot chocolate with salted caramel because that sounded incredible. These were just £1 for 10 sachets, which I think is so good. It's the Mocate. I think that is in I think I've seen them in Home Bargains before, and potentially Aldi. No, that's Al Cafe. I think it's Home Bargains, that one I've seen. But yeah, I just loved the look of those, 10 for £1. Also on the elves section, I picked this up. I saw these in the range last year and they sold out, but this was £2.20 I believe, and it's the Watch Out, Elf is About warning sign. I really liked this because if anybody else does Elf on the Shelf, like, you regret life. Yeah, that's me. But I'm always looking out for things to do, and I really liked that. I thought we could like set them up cleaning or something, who knows. One day the elf could be cleaning or something in the kitchen, who knows. But yeah, I really liked that. That was £2.20. The only other food item I got was this box of Festive Friends. This was just £1 for them. They're kind of like the animals, aren't they, but the festive version from Cadbury. I picked these up because I just thought that these would be nice little treats for the boys. That's how much you get inside. I saw them and I thought for £1 they'll really like those. I only got one cleaning item, and that was the Lenore Unstoppables. Please get these if I'm ever in a shop that sell them, because I'm always in need of them. I love the gold orchid, I love the smell, and I love the way the pearls look, because what I do is I take off the cellophane and just have them on the side. I think they look really nice. So yeah, they were £3 and I picked up some of those. Next up on Christmas theme, I picked these up to have a look at, and they are so cute. They're bigger than I thought. They are these little robin clips. I don't know if you can see them on there because of the ring light, but they are these cute little robins. They've got clips underneath, and I just thought that these would be nice to put in like the twig things that I've got in the, or flower arrangements that I've got going on downstairs, or they could go in Christmas trees. But they are so beautiful. They are so like lifelike. Can you see them in there? Hold on. Let me see if I can't grab one out. I'll see how close I can get it, but are really lovely and lifelike. I really love those. So I picked up some of these. These were a little more expensive. I think these were £2 for the 3, but they're like a polystyrene kind of feel by the looks of it. Really loved those. So yeah, I picked up a pack of those. Next up, Christmassy, I got a door bow kit. I thought this was incredible. I haven't seen these before. I'm guessing it's just basically like a long strip of organza for your door, but I'm hoping that it tells you, yeah, it does tell you how to use it. But we've got a white front door, and I thought that that would look really cute on it this year. I normally have a bow that I get on from Home Bargains, but last year I noticed as I put it up, a lot of the glitter had come off and it started to look a bit patchy in areas. I have had it for about 4 years now, so I think it is on its last legs. But I really liked that for something different, and because our front door is like a steel door, you can't really put wreath hangers or anything on it because of the heavy duty door. So it'll be nice to be able to put something on it like that we can put over the door, some like organza. Although, how do you get to your post box, your letterbox? I'll have to cross that bridge when it comes to it. So this next one, technically I suppose it was in the festive section, but I've picked these up for use every day for the home, and I'm really excited for these. So I already have some of these in gold, but not this style, and I saw these and I thought, oh my gosh, they're so different. So let me see if I can just grab these out. Oh my gosh, this is all recyclable. These are charger plates. Now I already have some round gold ones, but I don't know why I've got gold, because everywhere in my house is wood, white and cream, but everything that I've got is like silver. So I thought I would get some silver ones, but not only that, I loved the pattern. If you've seen the plates that I've got, I don't know whether you've been around here a while, but the plates I've got are this identical pattern in white porcelain from IKEA, and I thought that these would look gorgeous with my plates, like so nice. So charger plates, I use them every single day. I use them as placemats on our dining table. So these will be used all year round, but I thought they'd be beautiful for Christmas. So these were a little bit more than like normal ones. Like if you go into the Range or B&M or places like that, they're normally between £1 to £2. These were £2.20 because obviously they're a nicer design, but I think these are so good for placemats because they wipe clean, they look pretty, and yeah, so I picked up 6 of those for in my dining room. Sticking with some, because that's like for the table for Christmas, I picked these up. Now if you followed my channel for a while, you'll notice that for autumn I picked up little like pumpkiny salt and pepper little things for the table, and then I saw these. They're little stag salt and peppers. I love anything novelty like this. I'm a sucker for it. But how cute are those? I mean, I couldn't resist. These were a really good price as well. I'll see if I can leave things linked below if I can, but how nice are those? These are actually a lot more beautiful than I thought. I'm just gonna have a look at the other one, see if the other one's got a different amount of holes. Yes! Oh, I love that. So they've got the different number of holes, which is good. So you know which one's salt and pepper. Pepper has the more holes, doesn't it? But the porcelain, they are beautiful, and I think they're going to look gorgeous on the Christmas table. I was so pleased with those. And the one thing I love is they're like a decoration and functional, which is something I always look for. So yeah, I picked up those stag reindeer salt and pepper sets. The last thing Christmassy in my box are these coasters. I couldn't resist these. They are so beautiful and they fit in my house beautifully. and it is these. So this is the little box that they come in, and then these are the coasters inside. It's a little wooden box. Oh, I thought these were so pretty. I really loved these. Let me just see if I can get them out. So they've got different designs on, so they alternate in colour. You've got the white one that says Merry Christmas in there, then you've got this one that says Joy to the World, you've got this one which says Merry and Bright, and then this final one with that stag on. I love those. I think they're so stunning, and they go in my living room perfectly. They're white, wood and silver. Like, what more could I ask for? And then I love the little box that they come in as well, because you could potentially use this for different coasters as well. Like, or you could probably like put different things in it. I thought the box itself was so pretty. I love the little houses on there. I love anything like this because you can put it away and it will just stand the test of time, won't it? So yeah, I picked those up, a set of 4 coasters. Finally in my box, I've got 2 items that are definitely going to come in useful for this time of year. Now, the first one I thought was a little bit pricier, but I loved the look of it. And it's a fluffy faux fur throw in light caramel. Now, I picked this up for either downstairs in the living room or on my bed, which is why I got this colour. But they also did it in like a darker, I think it was called camel. And then they also did a lighter cream, I believe. This was a little pricier at £25, but it does not disappoint. It is so soft. It comes beautifully packaged. Let me just put this up. It comes beautifully packaged with this big bow on. So this would make a really nice gift as well, actually. I love how it's packaged. And shall I open it up and see how big it is? I just want to put it on the bed straight away, to be honest, because it's getting a bit colder in the UK now, and you know, we're trying not to put the heating on. Hence me buying things like this. So it's all nice and it's all got tagged on. Oh, and it's beautiful inside. So actually £25 isn't that much, because I picked up one very similar to this from Home Sense not long back, or actually say not long back, I think last year, which was about £30. So, oh yeah, look at this. Look at the pelts on it. Obviously it's faux, but you know what I mean. It's really big as well. It's really big. It's a nice cozy blanket. Oh, I love this. Yes, £25 is a little more pricey, but it's so soft. I might just leave this over my legs now for the remainder of the video. Okay, and finally in my basket I picked up this. Can we see there's a theme going on? But it is one of these long water bottles. I've wanted one of these for ages, and I saw them in Dunelm and they were quite expensive. This was £8. Now, I did see them in Home Bargains the other day and they are roughly the same price, but I don't think they're as long. This one seems a bit longer, but I loved the colour of it and the pattern. It's got these little pom-poms on too. This was £8. I mean, I really love the fabric. And my idea with this is I could fill this up and put it in bed and warm the bed up, because I used to have an electric blanket, but even that's costing a fortune. So I got this, which is a really nice long hot water bottle. Also, for time of the month, I know this is going to come in really useful because I get really bad back pain, and it's nice to be able to have something soothing on the sofa. So now I can snuggle up with my hot water bottle and my new fleecy blanket, and yeah, just try and make the house a little bit cozier and warmer and save a little money on electricity and gas. So guys, that is everything I bought from Cherryz. I'm really excited with all the things I picked up. I love to, like I say, browse on their website, so I would love you to head over and have a look yourself. Make sure you use my code MrsDudley25 to get 25% off your first order. You have to spend over £20 to use the code, so just bear that in mind. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed me sharing what I got from Cherryz. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time guys, take care.